What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer this t-shirt to this, and if this is something that you would want to see how it's done or you would want to do, please keep watching. Without further ado, let's just jump right into the video.
First of all, you're going to lay down the top of your choice and the bottoms, then cut after determining where you want your top to stop. I'm cutting 1 inch away, and that is for the seam allowance. I'm going to go and stitch this on my sewing machine. If you don't have one, go ahead and use fabric glue, or alternatively you can hand stitch this. It will take you a little bit longer, but you gotta do what you have to do to get things done. So yeah. I'm not showing you the step of me sewing down on my machine because personally I don't find it useful, but if you find it useful you can comment down below, and then the next time I make a video I'll include that step. For my bottoms, I'm doing the same procedure that I did for my top, so you can just follow along. For this step, you can see I'm turning my top in and out, and I'm going to go ahead and pin the areas where I'm going to sew. Then after that, go ahead and sew along the pinned areas, then come back and do the next step. So after sewing my crop top, I decided that I wanted these designs on. If you don't want them, you don't have to do it. It's just a personal choice that I want. So if you want it, just follow along and do the same thing. Yeah, so moving on to the bottoms, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to sew along the pinned area, so that is what you have to do as well. And then I'm going to come back and show you the next step. After sewing your bottoms, go ahead and do exactly what I've done. Then after that, you will see like the pant form is trying to come out now, so go ahead and pin that area just as mine is pinned down. Then you're going to sew along that area as well. After sewing along the pinned area of your pants, go ahead and sew your waist area to make it look neat. So after sewing your bottoms, you're going to go ahead and insert your elastic in the waistband area, that way it can fit you perfectly. So I think you just have to follow along, and this is the last step. That is all you have to do, and everything is just in place. This step that I'm doing is very important because it enables you to secure the thread so that it doesn't come out in case you happen to wash the clothes. Oh my gosh guys, I'm so happy. I love the way it turned out. I always have something in mind, but sometimes they just don't turn out the way you have it in your mind. But this turned out exactly the way I had it in mind. So I'm so happy. I'm going to go ahead and give you a montage. Voila!
Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so that you'll be notified anytime that I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Till next Monday. Bye.